If you have a trailer to tow, whether for work, travel, or hauling gear, you need a sturdy hitch that gets the job done safely and smoothly. But with so many types out there, picking the right one can get a little overwhelming. That's why in this video, I'll walk you through the 6 best trailer hitches, from budget-friendly picks to heavy-duty options and even gooseneck and adjustable models. There's something here for every kind of hauler. Please note that all the links to find the best prices will be in the description below. Also, the trailer hitches mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Number 6 is the Reese Tow Power 2153-6. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. If you're new to towing and just want to get moving without overthinking it, this one's kind of perfect. It comes as a full kit. The ball's already attached, and you get the pin and clip too. It slides right into any standard 2-inch receiver. That's literally plug and play for towing. The drop is 2 inches, which is decent for leveling out most trailer setups, and the whole thing is made from solid steel with a black powder coat, so it's built to take a beating without rusting up on you. This hitch can handle up to 6,000 pounds of towing with a 600-pound tongue weight. That's more than enough for small boats, ATVs, campers, and whatever your weekend plans are. One user praised it as, "Just holding this hitch, one can tell it's heavy and durable," as posted. It stays connected with the secure latch and safety pin, as it should, so I'm going to enjoy it for the duration of my car. I left it for over 2 weeks outdoors in the rain and sun, and nothing happened to it. It passed U-Haul's inspection, the one they conduct before they let you rent a trailer from them. Now, the sticker might be annoying to peel off, but once it's on, it stays put. It's snug and safe and doesn't wobble around like some cheap mounts do. So if you just want something reliable, simple, and affordable without a bunch of extra steps or mystery parts, this Reese kit goes a long way. Number 5 is the BW Companion 5th Wheel RVK 3500. This is the most heavy-duty hitch on our list. If you have a big trailer and want something sturdy, you need to try this. It's made with alloy steel and rated to pull up to 20,000 pounds. You'll also like how smooth and quiet the ride is. You won't feel any clunking or rattling. Even if you're parked on uneven ground, the head pivots side to side and front to back, and it adjusts very easily. Another clever thing is that it uses these polyurethane bushings. They absorb all that annoying vibration that usually makes the back of your truck sound like a toolbox rolling around. And if you're using a turnover ball gooseneck system, this hitch just drops right in without the need of extra hardware. That makes it super easy to swap between towing setups. Now, it's heavy at 140 pounds. So you won't lift it out after every trip unless you have a strong back or a buddy to help. Still, the way it locks in with those pins and cotter clips feels really secure. And if you don't want to crawl around with a grease gun, throw on a lube plate and you're good to go. Overall, if smooth and safe towing is your priority, this one's the best heavy-duty option. Number 4 is the Kurt Puck System Gooseneck Hitch Kit. This is the best gooseneck hitch on our list. If your truck already has the factory puck system, like on certain Chevy, Ford, GMC, or Nissan Titan XD models, then this kit makes setting up for gooseneck towing very simple. Just drop the ball in, give it a twist, and you're locked in without messing with any tools. The ball itself is 2 to 5 by 16 inches in size and is made from forged steel and rated to tow up to 38,000 pounds, which is more than what most trucks can even handle. And the safety chain anchors are also built tough with big openings, so hooking up heavy-duty clevis hooks is also pretty easy. I like that it has a quarter-turn locking system, so you just have to flip it, twist it, and it's locked solid. Also, you don't need any bolts or extra brackets. When you're done towing, just pop everything out, stash it in the hard plastic case that comes with it, and your truck bed's clear again. And it even comes with a rubber cover to keep the hitch hole clean when you're not using it. So if you want a gooseneck hitch setup that's strong, quick to install, and easy to store, this Kurt kit is a great choice. And if you want to know the latest prices for the trailer hitches discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 3 is the BW Tow and Stow Adjustable. This is the most adjustable ball mount option on our list. Here you'll get 3 hitches in one. It has a tri-ball design, so you can switch between 1 to 7 by 8 inches, 2 inches, and 2 to 5 by 16 inches balls in seconds, and you don't have to swap mounts every time you tow something different. What makes it really practical is that it's adjustable up to 7 inches of drop or rise. So whether your truck sits high or low, you can level things out fast, and when you're done towing, just flip it around and slide it under the bumper so you don't bang your shin or hit the garage by accident. The build quality is also pretty good. It's made in the US with legit American steel and a dual-layer finish to keep rust out. You get a trailer weight rating of 10,000 pounds and a 1,000-pound tongue weight rating on the standard 2-inch version, which is enough for most people. Safety-wise, once it's locked into your receiver, the adjustable arm can't be pulled off, so there's some peace of mind there too. Overall, if you want a ball mount hitch that can be adjusted up to 7 inches, this one is the best one out there. Number 2 is the Maxhaul 51-00-3 tri-ball mount with hook. This is the best value for money option on our list. If you've ever been stuck with the wrong hitch size mid-task, you'll know how frustrating that is. This trailer hitch solves this issue with 3 different ball sizes, 1 inch by 7 by 8 inches, 2 inches, and 2 inches by 5 by 16 inches. So whether you're pulling a small trailer or something way heavier, it covers you. It fits a standard 2-inch receiver like on most trucks and SUVs. And if yours is 2.5, you can just use a sleeve to make it work for you. It can tow up to 12,000 pounds when you use the D-ring shackle, which is very useful, especially for recovery or off-road stuff. Even the tow hook can handle 10,000 pounds. It's built with heavy-duty alloy steel and has a powder-coated finish, so it won't rust out on you after a few rainy days. And there's a 5-inch rise and drop, which helps line up with different trailer heights. Overall, it's simple, reliable, and if you tow often, or even just now and then, this hitch gives you the best value for the money. Number 1 is the Qualizir 4-point sway control hitch. This is the best overall trailer hitch on our list. If your trailer sways on the highway, you should consider this one. It has an integrated 4-point sway control, and it uses 4 friction zones to keep your trailer from wobbling all over the place. They are helpful, especially when you're dealing with wind, when semi-trucks are flying by, or just while making a sharp turn. As one user puts it, "What a great product. We went 5,000 miles round trip with our 3 cats, dog, and our 38-footer. Even in the horrific winter storms and Illinois winds, we were confident and the sway bars held tight. Highly recommend this product to anyone looking for sway bars." It also redistributes weight evenly across your axles, which means the front of your tow vehicle actually stays planted and you won't feel like your steering's floating. Now, it can handle a ton of trailer types, boats, RVs, and even V-nose ones that some other hitches can't deal with. Plus, you can hitch and unhitch from any angle, which is a huge time saver if you're setting up solo. And best of all, it's made in the USA with 100% American steel and comes with a lifetime warranty. It's beefy but clean, and the parts feel solid like they're meant to last forever. The only downside is that it's not quiet. You'll hear it working. And depending on your setup, you might not be able to drop your tailgate fully with it attached, but if performance, safety, and reliability matter to you, this hitch absolutely delivers. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect trailer hitch for you. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. If you find a trailer hitch you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each model. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.